Okay, good day everyone. It's me again, Joanna Kimdi Alcantara, and in this video, we will learn about NumPy. It is one of the most useful Python libraries that use for numerical computations and linear algebra. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It helps us to work with arrays, matrices, and mathematical operations more efficiently. Okay, first thing that we need to do, compare sa mga modules sa Python, ang libraries, kailangan muna natin siyang i-install bago natin magamit. So, makikita natin sa screen na naka-open na yung Python. And para ma-install natin yung library na gagamitin natin, pindutin natin yung window. And then, lalabas yung search bar. And then, dito, i-search natin yung command. So, i-type natin cmd na lang. And then, enter. So, ito, lumabas na dito sa screen natin kung saan tayo mag-i-install. So, itong nakikita nyo, parang ito yung nagsaserve as App Store ni Python. Okay, let's say. Ang ating i-install na library is NumPy. Okay. Hindi ko na siya i-enter kasi si NumPy is naka-install na dito sa aking laptop. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano siya ma-install and make sure na ma-install nyo muna siya dahil hindi gagana yung program nyo kapag hindi nyo pa siya na-i-install. Okay, so ayan yung i-install natin and after that, kapag na-install nyo na, punta na tayo kay Python and pwede na natin gamitin yung library. Let's create another file. Okay, the first thing that we need to do, import na natin yung library na gagamitin natin, which is NumPy. NumPy as NP. Again, yung NP, shortened version lang siya ng numerical Python. Okay, dito gagawa tayo ng, let's say, ipiprint muna niya yung output. Magsimula tayo sa basic. So, let's create a variable A. Lalagay natin dito is np dot array. Okay, let's say np.array and then close parenthesis. Okay, and then enter. Dito naman sa second is ilalagay natin yung ating mga elements. Let's say 1, 2. Huwag kalimutan yung comma and then enter ulit natin. Let's say 3, 4 para mas madali na natin maipakita yung output niya. Okay. And then, ang next naman yan, i-enter natin, i-close naman natin. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Okay, dito, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo muna yung output. Kung ano yung magiging output na. Okay, let's try. I-run natin. Tingnan natin kung may mga errors tayong nagawa. File name, let's say NumPy. NumPy 1. Say, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, NumPy na ginamit natin, ito yung output niya, which is 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, gamitin naman natin yung iba pang mga functions niya. Let's say, gumawa tayo ng another variable. Tapos, gagamitin naman natin yung addition, multiplications, and yung other functions. Ito try din natin. Let's say, letter B. Okay, si letter B naman, let's say, NP okay. And then dito, let's say, ang ating ilalagay na elements naman is 5, 6, and 7, 8. Magkakasunod na lang para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay. 5, 6, comma, enter ulit. And then 7 and 8. Okay. I-close natin. Huwag nyo kalimutang i-close. Okay, ayan. So, meron na tayong variable A and variable B. So, let's try na ipag-add sila. So, baguhin lang natin 'to. Let's say print A plus ay, okay. Tingnan natin kung may error ba siya. Ayun, pinag-add niya. So, 6, 8, and 10, 12. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay, i-try naman natin kapag, multiplication naman. Ito na rin gamitin natin. Let's say, NP. Ay, I'm sorry. NP dot, hmm, and then lagay natin si A at saka si B, comma, B, comma, okay. And then i-try natin na i-run. Tingnan natin kung napag-multiply natin. Ayun, 19, 22, and 43, and 50. Okay, so dito sa mga functions under ng NumPy, una kong pinakita is pinrint niya muna yung output, and then second is gumawa ako ng pangalawang variable wherein pinag-add natin sila. Then, ngayon naman, ito naman yung multiplication niya. Okay, mag-try pa tayo. Let's say, yung determinant naman niya. Okay, let's say print NP the I'm sorry. Naka-caps lock pa rin. Okay, ayos okay, so ito namang function na 'to, pinapakita niya naman yung kung paano nakukuha yung determinant niya. Okay, let's run. Tingnan natin. Ayun. Nakuha niya naman yung ating determinant. Mag-try pa tayo, last one. Let's say, tingnan natin kung nakakapag-transpose din siya. Okay. Let's say, print A dot. Okay. Tanggalin natin 'tong isang parenthesis. I-run natin, tingnan natin kung nakakapag-transpose. Ayun. So, nakapag-transpose siya. Okay, napagpalit niya. Okay, let's try another example naman. So, dito meron tayong code wherein nagko-compute siya ng function. Let's say AX is equal to B, wherein yung A natin is yung nagsaserve siya as yung coefficient ng matrix, and then yung atin namang X, siya naman yung unknown vectors, and then yung variable B naman natin is yung result ng vectors. Okay, let's try na i-run. So, yung output niya is 2 and 3. So, tama siya kasi kapag sinubstitute natin 'tong, numbers na 'to dun sa equation kanina na nabanggit ko, makukuha niya yung answer, which is yung 9 at saka yung 8, 'di ba? So, tama yung ating output.